I don't really want to like gloss over the fact that templates can make your life a whole lot easier on eBay. Bum. I'm such a dork.
Hey, welcome to Whozits and Whatzits. This is the podcast to teach you how to make mad cash on eBay. I'm going to teach you all of my tips, tricks, and secrets that I've learned over the 15 plus years of selling on eBay. By the way, my name is Debbie Baldwin, and I'm going to teach you how to make mad cash on eBay on your own time. I'll teach you how to find awesome treasures that you can flip on eBay and how to make the most for it. I can't wait to get started. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you keep coming back and listening to this awesome podcast, Whozits and Whatzits.
Hello, my Whozits and Whatzits peeps. Welcome back. I am Debbie, and I am so glad to be here. And you know, one of the best things about what I do is that I get to hear all of your success stories and get to answer all of your questions. And I really, really love doing that. So if you have any questions for me, if you have any success stories, would you please come find me on Facebook or Instagram or just right here in the comments on YouTube or the podcast, whatever. But just come find me, ask me your questions, and tell me your success stories so we can connect, because I love hearing them. And then I will tell you a few of mine as well. Not that you haven't heard enough, but anyway, come find me. Let's connect, okay? So today we're going to talk about templates. And the kind of templates that I mean are templates that are going to make your eBay selling experience so much easier and so much more effective, because, you know, my favorite saying is time is money. And so you want to spend your time doing more important things like finding more things to sell. So if we have templates that make things go faster on the listing side or even the customer service side, then it's a win-win for everyone. Right? Okay, so let's talk about some templates that you can use with your eBay business. The number one template that I think that you should consider making is for your description. Now, descriptions, the more words in your description, the better it is for the search engines, and especially if you're including all different keywords in there. But it can be time consuming to type up each and every item each and every time. So if you make templates for different types of categories, it makes it so much easier. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to make like three little sections, if you will, in each template. And it's going to be your features or details. It's going to be a condition, and then it's going to be shipping. And in each little section, I have a template typed up for the all of those things: the condition, the shipping details, and your item features or details. And in the section for your features or details, you're going to want to put item specifics like brand, material, those kinds of things. And so that's why I also make templates for each type of category that I list in. So if I'm listing a book, my template would say author, ISBN number, illustrator, publisher, the year it was published, the name of the book, that kind of thing. So that way I can literally just go in and enter in all of the spaces. So if it says author, then I just click on that and then I type in the author and then illustrator and so on and so forth. Okay, if I'm listing clothing, I would do things like size and color and material and fit and brand and all those things. So you would just do little bullet points on your template for each type of item that you like to list. Because then it becomes super easy. So if I'm listing a CD or something, I could just go to my document, right click copy, right click paste right onto my eBay listing, and then just enter all the info in. Super quick, super easy, and effective. It's super effective. Okay, so now the next type of templates that I highly suggest that you create is templates for customer service. Okay, now this is completely up to you what kind of customer service you want to provide your customers. So if you want to do like a thank you email, I mean, eBay already sends a little thank you when they purchase, but You may want to do like a customized thank you for your buyers, and that's perfectly fine. You might want to do like a customer service email that reminds them to leave you feedback after it had been, a week or two, something like that. So you can totally decide on the customer service emails that you want to send to your customers, but I highly suggest that you go ahead and type up a little template so that it makes it super fast and easy whenever it's time to go email those to your customers, that you don't have to stop and think and type out each and every one individually. The most important one, though, that I'm going to tell you that you probably will want to make a template for is when there are issues with the order. So it either got lost or it's damaged or the customer's not happy about something. And that is the one that you want to go ahead and type up as a template, because if you do it now and you keep it really professional and you use professional terms, it's going to prevent you from getting angry and typing something in there when you're in kind of like an irritated or frustrated mode. It might come across in your email. So this is going to prevent that from happening because you're doing it when you're not frustrated, and it'll be easier to stay professional so that you don't tick off your buyers. I mean, it's really not fun to have to eat crow. So if you don't have to rehash it in your mind while you're typing up an email, then that's even better, right? So here's what I do in my customer service template for the when there's an issue that it arises. First of all, very first thing you need to do is apologize. So I just send some kind of like generic apology. By the way, you can go in and add and take away anything you need to when you're actually sending the email. Okay. So I just kind of do a general apology, and then I thank them for letting me know that the issue was an issue because, and then I further go on to explain how I want to earn their 5-star feedback. So I'm really grateful that they let me know so that I could resolve it as quickly as possible and earn the 5-star feedback. And then I let them know, if there's anything else you need me to do, or if you have any more questions or concerns, please let me know. I thank them again, and then I sign off. So that is just in a template ready to go. And like I said, I can just enter in the more specific details or take things away as needed. But it really helps so that when I'm frustrated, it doesn't come out in my emails. That's really it. If you just make your description template and make your customer service templates, your life is going to be so much smoother and your eBay business is going to run so much more effectively. So I highly recommend that you do that. If you want to know how I do my templates, I will share. Okay, click on the link below and it will take you to one of my listings, or it'll take you to my templates. Feel free to copy and paste and reuse and do it however you want to, customize it, whatever, but it's yours to copy if you want to. Okay, I have no problems sharing because sharing is caring, and I'm a sharer and a carer. All right, guys, have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic week. Go out there and make some mad cash on eBay, would you? Would you? And then would you come and tell me all about it? Because I absolutely love hearing your stories, your success stories, that is. I love hearing those. But I also like answering your questions because, if you're new at it, you're going to have lots of questions. And I have no problems, zero problems. In fact, I love it. I love answering your questions and helping you become successful on eBay. All right. I will talk to you guys next time. I am so glad that you decided to join me today. Come back and listen to the next episode on Whozits and Whatzits. Bye, guys.